So here the comparison operators are like which will compare the values or variables of the both sides, left hand side as well as the right hand side. So in general, we have like double equal to. Double equal to is an equality operator. Double equal to means it will compare the two values or variables, whether they are similar or not, whether they are equal or not. So I have here actually int x is equal to 5 and y is equal to 3 and system dot out dot println. If I am giving this x is double less than or double equal to y, what is it mean is 5 double equal to 3. Since it is not true, means it is a false. Always the comparison operators, they will return boolean values. What are the two boolean values we are having? True and also false. No,
False.
yeah, true and false. So here, 5 is double equal to 3 means it is like it is a false because 5 is not equal to 3. Okay, and also we have one more operator that is not equal to. Not equal to is represented with an exclamatory bar and also equal to. Here I have int x is equal to 5 and y 1 equal to some 3. So 5 is not equal to 3 since it is a true statement, then it will return the value true because the 5 is not equal to 3. Okay, and also we have one more operator that is greater than. Int I have taken x is equal to 5, again y is equal to 3 and 5 is greater than 3. Since it is true, it will return the value true for us. So and also one more x4 and y4. 5 is less than, I will take some 15 and 13. 15 is less than 13, which is a false. That's why this will return the value false. And also one more is like greater than or equal to. 5 is greater than or equal to 3. So which is a true. That's why this will return true. And here I am using less than symbol, less than or equal to. Here a 5, 3, I took here, and 5 is less than or equal to 3 means it will return the false false for us. Okay, so let us see this all in the compiler. So let me go to the here, Java compiler. So here I am going to paste this entire thing. So I could able to find here. First of all, equal to is a 5 double equal to 3, which is a false, right? And also like 5 is not equal to 3, which is a true, that is this one. And also like we have here 5 is greater than 3, that is like true, again 5 is greater than 3. And also we have here x is less than 5 is greater than 3, true. 5 is less, 15 is less than 13, which is a false, then this will return false. And also here 5 is greater than or equal to 3, which is true, that's why it is true. And also 5 is less than or equal to 3, which is 5 is less than or equal to 3, which is a false. So then it is a false. Okay, these are the different comparison operators we have. One is less than, greater than, double equal to, not equal to, greater than or equal to, less than or equal to. These are the different comparison operators we have. They will return either true or false values. So okay, so next so after this we have the logical operators. So we have different actually logical operators. They are like double end logical and also okay, double end is for the logical and single end is for the bitwise. And also double R is logical, single R is like bitwise R. And double end x is equal to 5 means if x is greater than 5 means 5 is greater than 3 means that is a 5 is greater than it's an true, and also 5 is less than 10, which is a true. That's why this a true and true, which is a true again. Okay, and also here we have OR operator. So 5 is greater than 3, which is like true, and also x1 again 5 is less than 4, true or false is a, it will return true. Okay, and one more is like not. So here I have x2 is greater than 3. X2 means it is a 5. 5 greater than 3. The value is true. And 5 less than 10. The value is also true. That is why this will return true. But since I am having not here, this will return false. Okay. So like that, this is not operator. And also here false or false is only false, remaining all are true. True and true is only true, remaining all are false. Okay. So this is about logical operator. So we can able to find it easily here. So just run it. So you can find here the value x is equal to 5, and this value, this will return true, and also one more is also this will return true or false. True or false, it will return true. And one more is like here it is also true and false, which is like it will return false. First is like 5 greater than 3, which is true, and 5 less than 10, which is actually true and true. But if we have not operator, that's why this will become false. So next one is like this true and true or true. In all these cases, it is like true. Only false or false is actually false. Here again, true and true is actually true. Remaining all case, it is a false actually. Okay. Any doubts in this logical and comparison operators?
No, sir, I have understood.
So next one is like ternary operation. Ternary operation is something like in the single statement, we are checking whether the condition is true or false. So ternary operator is used as one line replacement for the if then else. If else statement. For the if else statement, we are going to use this I mean ternary operator in a single line as a replacement. It is only the conditional operator which takes the 3 operands. So here I have like first operation, okay, 3 and also here I have again one more and also here I have the R. For the R I have and I have this question mark. This is a true block, this is a false block. So in general, what is the syntax of this is, so first condition, if the condition is true, then it will go and execute the true block, okay, true block statements. If the condition is false, it will go for the false block statements, HTMTS. Okay. HTMTS. So if it is like true, it will go and execute the true statement. If it is false, it will go and execute the false statement. So here I have A is equal to 2, B is equal to 5, but 2 is less than some 5. The value is like minimum value is like printed, means the value is like 2. So let us see here. So I have here the condition. So initially I have 2 is less than 5. That is why the A will go, and the value of it is like going to become as like as the 2 here. So here, if I am increasing this value, for example, 20 is less than 20 is less than 5. So 20 is less than 5. In this case, what will happen? This
It will print 5 minimum.
5. Okay, it will be the since the value of 5 is the minimum, it will print the 5 value, right? Yeah, that is the case.
Sir, but we have assigned the int main is equal to a less than b, no, sir.
Yeah.
Here,
A means how much? 20. 20 less than b. Okay, 1 second, I think. Yeah, 20 less than b. So which is like an 1 second, wait. I think I have not saved 1 second. 20, what is the value of a? 20 less than 5, which is a false, no? That is why b will come.
yes, sir. Okay.
If it is true, we will get a. Correct only, na?
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir. I got it.
Okay. For example, if I have to find the max value, so in this, what I can do, I can give like a greater than some b, and I can give like a colon b. If again I am giving system dot out dot println. Okay, so here what I am giving, I am giving
max.
Max.
Okay.
Max. In this case, now I will get the particular value. Somewhere I have missed
Semicolon.
Semicolon.
Semicolon, sir. Yes.
Okay, no problem. Yeah.
Okay.
So we'll get the value 20. Correct? So
yes, sir.
Again, so let us think you are having one more, some int c is equal to some 70. Okay. So, and a is, okay. I don't want to say, okay, whatever you learned, okay, up to this is fine. Okay, you can check this one. Simple. Okay. So next one is like we have assignment operators. So we have different assignment operators like plus equal to, minus equal to, like that. So assignment operators will assign the values actually. So for example, I have some operator, for example, a plus equal to b. So this is an assignment operation. What is the meaning of this expression is a is equal to a plus b. This is the value. This is the expression meaning of. Next is like if suppose if I am giving b minus equal to a. Okay, what is the meaning of this is b is equal to b minus a, and other one is like, for example, I have c into equal to d. What is the meaning of this expression? C is equal to
C is equal to C into D.
C into D. So same thing, whatever I have here, I will just show you again. Suppose if I am having one more, for example, D slash equal to some E. Okay. What is the meaning of this? D is equal to D forward slash E. That is the meaning of this. Okay. So here I have the value x plus equal to 3. What is the meaning of it is x1 equal to x1 plus 3, which is nothing but 5 plus 3, which is nothing but 8. And also I have here x2 equal to 5. What is meant by x2 equal to 5? X2 is equal to x2 minus 3. So x2 minus equal to 3 means x2 minus 3. 5 minus 3, which is the value 2. Like that, I have like x3 into equal to 3. What is the meaning of this? X3 is equal to x3 into 3. 5 into 3 is how much? 15. And also I have here slash equal to. So x4 is equal to x4 forward slash 3, which is nothing but 5 forward slash 3, which is the value of 1.66. And also modulus is equal to operator. What is this mean is x5 modulus equal to 3 means x5 modulus of 3, which is nothing but the remainder. It will be 2. 5 modulus of 3. The remainder is actually 2. That will be displayed. So here I am just take this one snippet. So I am just compiling it. Okay, so just go for here and paste it and run it. So you'll find 8, and also the second one is like 2, and this third one is like 5 into 3, it is 15, and also I am having slash 4, which is nothing 5 divided by 3, which is 1.66, and also one more is like 5 modulus of 3, remainder value is 2. Okay, any questions in this?
No, sir.
Okay, so this is all about the operators: assignment operator, ternary operator, logical operator, comparison operator, and also we have like bitwise operators, and also we have the unary operator, and also unary after left shift and right shift, left decrement, right decrement, post increment, post increment, pre increment, post decrement, pre decrement, and also I have arithmetic operations, and also yeah, these are the unary operations. Okay, so these are all the different operators we have in the Java. Okay, so most of the times you will face the questions on top of this left shift as well as the right shift operations, and also you will have some means they will ask means what is the what are the different operators we have in the Java. Then you have to either they will ask you to do the code, and or they will ask you to explain the concept of operators in Java. So you can in a flow you want to explain all of them together. Okay, you are catching me, right?
Yeah, sir.
Okay. Okay. So in Java, we have the operators conversion, or not operators conversion, data type conversion. So from small to the larger, large to the small, we can convert the of the values of a variable. For example, I have this int, but int is actually it is a 8-bit, but double it is more than 8-bit, so it is 16 actually. So here the white casting is actually done automatically when when passing the small size of data type to the large size. This is called as small size of data type is integer. Double is bigger than the integer. That is why conversion of the small data type to large data type is called as a wide casting. Okay, in integer we are not going to have any decimals, but in the double we are going to have the decimals, and also negative values also possible with the double. but integer is only the negative and also positive values, and 0 is possible with the integer but not any floating points. If you find any big number with a negative value and also some floating point, that data type is actually double. Okay, do. Okay, so we already saw the doubles, double in the data type actually here. So not exactly here. Here we saw about the double. Okay, so we have saw like the 15 digit it is, but here it is like integer is actually 8, right? Right, so it's a whole number. So it's how it is of 8 bits actually. Okay, so in this typecasting, from the conversion of small data type to the large data type is called as a widening casting. Okay, and what is narrow casting? Narrow casting is actually nothing but from a large data type to a small data type. If you are converting a value, that is called as the narrow casting. Okay, so here I have taken an integer. Okay, so which is nothing but int my type, my int is equal to 9. I have here the double, my double is equal to my int. Okay, here automatic casting will happen. Integer to the double actually we are going to convert. So here the basic syntax is target data type and also target variable, which is equal to source value. So I mean source variable, that is the syntax for converting the small data type to the large data type. Earlier this value of this my int, this will be 9, but once you convert to the double, that value will become 9.0. Okay, so that we will see as an output. And also here in the narrow casting, must be done by actually placing the, it must be done manually by placing the type in the parent, I mean sorry, parenthesis in front of values. So this is called whatever this parenthesis and also data type we are giving, that is actually the target data type actually. Okay, so initially if I have an double which is nothing but 9.78d, so int, and I'm having an integer, the double value variable whatever we have, so that variable and also within the parenthesis the target variable if we give, so then it will go and convert the large data type to the small data type. The large data type is what here? Double is my large data type. So what is my small data type? Target to integer, int int.
Integer.
Yeah, so here what I am giving actually parenthesis and also the target data type space and also the variable from where it is coming from. Okay, the basic syntax is like data type space variable which is equal to data type. I mean the particular data type, target data type, and also target data type, source data type variable. This is the source data type variable. So this is the target data type. Okay, this is the target data type, and also this is the variable, and this is the target variable, and also this is also a target data type. Okay, so this is the basic syntax for converting and large data type to the small data type. This kind of concept is called as narrow casting. This kind of concept is called as narrow casting. This is like one of the interview question also. What is a widening casting? What is a narrow casting? Okay, so here let me take out this and show you here. So first if I go, and also the first output is actually 9, the second output is actually 9.0 since it is become like converted. In the narrow casting, what will happen? I am having a 9.78, which is a double, and I have converted it to the integer. Since in integer it won't be having any decimals, we are going to get here only value as 9. Okay, you are getting now?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, you can practice this operators and also this casting also. You can follow the video and also code. So if not possible, I will send you the files.